Hello there, Oxygen Master. I hope that you're well, and I hope that you are as excited to learn Oxygen as I am to show it to you. Now, before I get started talking about the course and what's involved, I wanted to say thank you, and I wanted to say, look, I think you're pretty awesome, and it's great to see people that want to learn new skills and really level up. So my name's Corey Dodd, and I'm a designer. I've been designing for over 20 years, and the whole time I've worked in the web design industry. Even though design is my passion, I love development and I love that crossover where the two meet. Now, in those 20 years, I've seen a lot of things change. And one of the things that's changed is how I build websites. I used to hand code websites, and page builders came along and I wasn't really happy with the code they output until I saw Oxygen. And so a couple of years ago, I jumped on board and started using Oxygen. It sped up my workflow that allowed me to produce faster loading websites in less time and actually produce a better quality end product. And recently, well, Google started to care about stuff like page speed and web vitals. And now it's all the rage. And that's why Oxygen's such a sort of talking point at the moment. So hopefully that's why you're here to learn. So you can, not get left behind with doing things the wrong way or the old way. Now, I'm not sure how you used to build websites. Maybe you did them by hand like myself, or maybe you used another page builder. Whatever the case, that's totally fine, but we're about to learn something new, and that can be tough. I guarantee that there's going to be points along the way where you say, hey, my old page builder let me do it like this. But you'll also find aha moments where you say, wow, I can't believe I couldn't do this in my old page builder. This is amazing. So there are pros and cons, yes. But if you stick with it, I know you'll enjoy using Oxygen and you'll end up making super fast loading websites that are totally custom, without any hassle, and without really needing to know any code. Because that's a bit of a myth here, right? That's something that I want to help you with. A lot of people think that Oxygen Builder is just for developers. But it's not true. If you want to get stuck into the code, there's a lot of stuff that you can do, but you can also build fully functioning custom websites that are amazing without doing any code at all. So in this course, what we're going to do for the next few lessons, we're going to talk about the things that you need to consider just to make sure this is the right thing for you and this is the right fit and you get the most out of the course. Then after that, we're going to look at setting up Oxygen, some of the settings that you need to consider. And then in module 3, we're going to start playing with Oxygen. I'm going to show you the interface, what all the settings do, what all the functions do, what the panels mean, how to actually add stuff, change stuff, and set websites up for mobile responsiveness. Now, after that, once you've learned all of those basic skills, we're actually going to build a full website together. And I think that's where the magic actually happens, right? That's where you learn all of those tips and tricks that are hard to come by. Yes, you can watch all these little videos on YouTube, but it's really hard to see someone's actual process. And I'm not going to rush through this. This is going to be step by step, looking at how to build a website from start to finish the best way, using Oxygen Builder. So that's what we're going to be doing. I really, really can't wait to see the type of stuff you'll do at the end. Because by the time we get to the end of this, you'll be ready to make your own custom websites. So, we're ready to move on. Click the finish this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.